Hi guys, welcome back to my channel with me, Karima Bahmid. Today I'm gonna talk about when I went to South Korea. Actually, the first time I was like, I really hate South Korea.
What?
I just don't know why. So how can I get to South Korea? It was really a crazy story ever. It wasn't prepared. Suddenly, my cousin just called me. Okay, she said that the ticket is for 2018 for the New Year. And then I said, okay, why not? Let's go. I don't know what's gonna happen for the next year. I don't know, there will be my big examination. For that big. This is crazy, isn't it? Like, is it the ticket of South Korea or my examination? It's about my future. I'm just gonna choose South Korea. So I have 1 year to prepare. And you know what I prepare? I watch a lot of Korean drama. It just changed my mind. I start to love Korea and I start to love everything about Korea and just drives me crazy. I learned how to speak Korean. I learned the places for the K-drama, for the movie. At 4th January, 5 a.m. it's my flight time. And then when we arrive, it's time for breakfast and the flight attendant just coming to give us the breakfast. So when we arrive at Singapore, we have only 8 hours to wait for our next trip to South Korea, which is actually we want to go with the free tour. So because of we late to book that, free tour is closed. So now we are gonna spend to the mall, small garden, we can go for massage. We also take lunch in pizza. I also eat some bread. And yeah, I try to draw something. I even tried this wings, which is like, it's kinda match with my, with my outfit. So it's time for pray and then I go to the prayer room. And I met this little girl with her mother. It's just so beautiful and she's so cute. Her name is Mariam. So it's almost time for our flight. And you know what? I just broke my shoes. I'm just too excited. Okay, so it's time for flight to the air. Really makes me scared. I actually scared of the highest. When I entered the plane, it's kind of a lot of seat that's really empty. I got a middle place, which is there's no one beside me. Okay, let's try watching movie, but I still get bored and then I can't stop yawning. So okay, let's just sleep. I try to sleep but I can't, so I try to sleep like this and then I feel like maybe I sleep almost 1 hour, I guess. And then you know what's the most embarrassing moment ever? That dinner time is coming, so the flight attendant must be walking around giving food. The flight attendant just come to me. It's a man, like it's a real man. So he tried to wake me up. He just said like this,
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. You wanna have a dinner?
And then I said, I tried to open my eyes like oh my god, who is this guy? And then he said like,
Ma'am, are you want to have your dinner?
and then oh my god, I just wake up and then there's something. It came out from my mom. Like, I even don't know what my hijab looks like. It's kind of a mess. It's so embarrassing. So he said that,
Oh ma'am, I'm really so sorry I wake you up, but you wanna have your dinner?
and then I said, oh yes please, and then I tried to wipe my ugh. And then I tried to fix my hijab. Then I said, what do you have for the menu tonight? And then he gave me the menu, and then I said, oh my god, I think this one is so delicious, I like it, sausage. And then he said,
Oh, I'm sorry, but it's not a Muslim friendly.
and then I said, oh okay, what do you have else? And then he said,
We have fish.
and then I said, no, I'm allergic with seafood. And then he said, oh,
Oh, okay. We have a salad, ma'am. That's the only menu left.
and then I said, yeah, just give me that, I'm just gonna eat that. And then yeah, he gave me this, which is actually tastes so dang good. So, and then there's an announcement that we almost arrived.
전자담배 사용은 금지되어 있습니다. 저희 싱가포르항공과 함께 편안하고 즐거운 여행이 되시기 바랍니다. 감사합니다.
That's gonna be so cool. And guess what? I forgot everything. I forgot my shawl, everything for the cold weather. It's all on the baggage. I'm gonna freezing out there. So, and then I talked to my cousin. I asked her if she has something to share, and then she said, oh okay, you can use my handskin. And then, okay, yeah, that's better than has nothing, right? The flight attendant just across me, the one who waked me up, and then I said, excuse me, and then
Yes, ma'am. What can I help you?
I really don't have any of my jacket or shawl or even handscoon because I left that on my baggage. So can I have this blanket? And I was like making face, can I have this? And then he said that,
No, ma'am. You can't have that.
ah, God! And then I try over again. Please. I'm gonna freezing out there. And then he said,
Like, okay, wait, ma'am. I'm just gonna check out if I have a new one.
and then I think, what? So he just go to the back and I said, I mean like, just give me this, which one I just used. And then he just came out with the new blanket and he put it on a plastic bag and he said for me like,
Do not tell anyone, okay? If someone asking you, say you just buy something on the airplanes.
and then I said, oh my god, thank you so much, you just saved my life. So when I go outside, I use it. So when you just arrive on South Korea airport, you will see this picture, Lee Min-ho. You can also see Lee Jong-suk on the bus. So I took a bus to Seoul station. We just booked it on Airbnb, so we got an email for the how we got from the Seoul station to our house. And yeah, even though we are a little bit like lost in front of barber shop, we don't know where should we go. And then there is a security in there, and then I said, 실례합니다. 저기 이거 어디 있습니까? And he said,
아, 죄송합니다. 나도 진짜 모르겠어요.
아 그래? 그래 감사합니다. Oh my god, did I just say that? I learned Korean from K-drama. So whoever watch K-drama, I know you have talent. This is the current situation in front of the house that we just get locked. But actually, it is not locked. It just, we don't know how to open it. So, very funny, huh? We are already 1 hour outside. We just go prepare for our next trip, and then we said, where are we gonna go for today? I mean, like, this is our day 1, so are we gonna go to Handreifer? And then everyone say, yeah, okay, why not? Okay, let's just go there. Unfortunately, the place that we want to go, actually there is a shop where you can buy a jacket with a cheap price. But when we arrived there, the store is closed. The store is closed. So because of the weather are too cold, the store is closed. And then we just go out to the Handreifer with the condition of weather -7 Celsius. I know it's crazy, but we are too excited, so we don't feel too cold. We really enjoy it. And this is the picture of me in Handreifer. It's kind of really cold. Yeah, and then I sold you. This is kind of a read words like I love you, but I sold you, dude. So we also take a picture in station, and the station are just so beautiful. So we decided to go back home, and then on the station I stopped by GS25 and I buy this. You can also buy in CU, CU or GS25, you can find this. So every time you go to the different station, there always be a different story, and this is the only I took a picture of the story. If you go by the circle of it, you're gonna find out real story, like it's gonna be a real sequel of the story about this webtoon. Okay, that's all for today, so bye. Don't forget to like, comments, and subscribe.